Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to delete a blank space or the blank page on your Google Docs, then you can do is simply click on that blank page here and make sure that there is nothing written here. If there's anything written here, you have to simply delete it, and you have to place your cursor at the very beginning and click on it and simply hit the backspace key on your keyboard, and it will automatically delete that blank space from here. Or if it's on let me show you. Or you can do is you can switch to, if you have a blank space but you don't want a blank page, you can do is you can remove the page totally from your Google Docs. So for that you have to simply click on format, and you can find switch to pageless format, and you can see there is no page here. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.